Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I am a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the citizenship under the Indian Constitution. Firstly, we must know what is citizenship. Citizenship is the status of a person which is recognized under law as being a legal member of a foreign sovereign state or belonging to the nation. In India, Article 5 to 11 of the Indian Constitution deals with the concept of citizenship, and the term citizenship entails the enjoyment of full membership of the state and in which the citizen has civil and political rights too. And firstly, Article 5, which states about the citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. This article talks about the citizenship for the people at the commencement of the Constitution on November 26th, 1949. Under the citizenship is conferred upon those persons who have their domicile in India and territorially, and who was born in Indian territory, or whose either parent was born in Indian territory, who has ordinarily been resident of India for not less than 5 years immediately preceding to the commencement of the Indian Constitution. Then thereafter there is the Article 6 of the Indian Constitution, which state that the citizenship of certain persons who have migrated from Pakistan. Any person who has been migrated from Pakistan shall be a citizen of India at the time of commencement of Constitution if the following conditions are fulfilled, that is, he or his either parents or grandparents was born in India, which was given in the Government of Indian Act 1935. Second condition is in the case where such person has been migrated from before July 19th of 1948 and has been ordinarily resident of India since his migration. And thereafter there is Article 7 of the Indian Constitution, that is citizenship of certain migrants of Pakistan. This article deals with the right of the people who have been migrated to Pakistan after March 1st of 1947 but subsequently returned to India. Then also they can be called as citizen of India. Article 8 of the Indian Constitution states that the citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India. This article deals with the right of people of Indian origin and residing outside India for purpose of employment, marriage and education. Another article is 9, which states that people voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign country will not be a citizen of India. And thereafter there is Article 10. Any person who is considered as a citizen of India under any of the provisions of this part shall continue to be citizen and will also be subject to any law made by the Parliament. And Article 11 of the Indian Constitution states that Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. The Parliament has the right to make any provision concerning the acquiring and termination of the citizenship, any other matters relating to the citizenship also. Thus Parliament plays an important role under Article 11 for making laws related to the citizens of India. There are some provisions related to the Indian citizenship. Firstly, citizenship of India is governed by Article 5 to 11 as we studied above, and thereafter the Citizenship Act 1955 is the legislation relating with the citizenship, and this was been amended by the Citizenship Amendment Act 1986, and after many amendments there at last it was the Citizenship Amendment Act 2005. Nationality in India mostly follows the jus sanguinis, citizenship by right of blood and citizenship by the right of birth within the Indian territory. And thereafter there is the Citizenship Act 1955. Citizenship of India can be acquired in following ways: citizenship of commencement of the Constitution, citizenship by birth, by descent, by registration, by Guys, this was all about citizenship under the Indian Constitution. If you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section, and please do subscribe this channel Access.